The safety protocols necessitated by COVID-19 pandemic led to an increase in demand of surgical masks. Mumbai-based company Quarant decided to inject some color into what has now become a way of life. Their colorful masks are being lapped up by online shoppers.
My name is Sagar Vaishnav. My company name is Jayan Specialities Private Limited. Our brand name is called Quarant. I am manufacturer of surgical mask, designer mask, protective mask, and also we manufacture sanitizers, and that is what we sell on Amazon as well.
My name is Ruben Pereira. I've been working with Jayan Specialities as an e-commerce head. I look into the e-commerce operations, that is of course selling on Amazon, look into the marketing, the logistics, and ensure that we can get all our products to the customers timely.
जब पैंडेमिक हुआ उस टाइम पे हमने देखा कि मार्केट में एकदम इंफीरियर क्वालिटी के मास्क और सर्जिकल मास्क बनाए जा रहे थे और लोगों को बेचे जा रहे थे. So that time we thought that we being in pharmaceutical and we have knowledge about know-how about everything, let's use our expertise and give a product which can actually protect people. So that's how we got into surgical mask, and we launched very high quality products which were accepted level all around the world.
Our product are surgical mask. What's special about it is that we like to be innovative in creating masks. We like to put a twist to the product. Not just have something that's really similar out there in the market. The products that we have, some of them are unique. Now with the upcoming Diwali festive period coming up, we decided to launch a set of masks which are colorful, because we know Diwali is all about color. So we've launched a set of ombre colors which have various color schemes there, and we feel that customers will love to wear these sort of masks during the festive season because it will match their outfits.
Surgical mask is a preferred choice as per government and as per FDA. और ये प्रोटेक्शन आप कितना भी ट्राई कर लो आपको नहीं मिल सकता कॉटन मास्क में, इसलिए डॉक्टर्स भी बोलते हैं कि आपको सर्जिकल मास्क पहनना चाहिए. पर सर्जिकल मास्क में क्या, बिकॉज ऑफ बीइंग द सेम ब्लू कलर पीपल वर लाइक नॉट एंजॉइंग वेयरिंग इट, तो हम लोग ने वो थोड़ा फन एलिमेंट लाया. As a company, we wanted to make our brand known across India. That's when we realized that we should start selling on Amazon, because Amazon gives you that opportunity to make your product available across India. Due to Amazon, today a customer sitting in Coimbatore or a person sitting in West Bengal is getting the product within 24 hours. So that itself is a very big achievement, and that happened because of Amazon. And that's what we wanted, for our product to be available across India in a shorter duration of time. Without Amazon, we couldn't have done that.
So we started selling on Amazon a year ago. The journey has been very successful. Month on month, we have seen growth in sales. And a few months ago, we joined the Amazon Launchpad, wherein they have a specialized team that helped us in improving our listings, gave us advice on how we can better ourselves and try and reach more customers. So with that feedback, we've seen a good improvement in sales as well. And with the festival season, we are anticipating a bigger spike in sale.
The kind of business we get from Amazon is huge, and because of Amazon only we have become very successful. Like, we have got known across India. We are doing somewhere around like 1500 to 2000 orders per day, but initially we were like doubling our sale every month.
Firstly, I would like to take the opportunity to thank our existing customers for believing in our product. Amazon is a platform that gives sellers the opportunity to go national. So we were able to do that earlier, having a limited offline distribution network. Now we are available all over India thanks to Amazon.
We really appreciate the kind of response and the support we have got from all of you, and whoever has purchased our product, thanks for like making Quarant part of your journey towards fighting COVID. Thank you.